The dial is out. Local control is in. Governor Polis and the state health department they say it's time communities call their own shots on COVID.
Right now, these 19 counties shaded in yellow and orange are required to take moderate to strict precautions because of a high rate of infection. The ones in blue and green are under a limited number of restrictions.
So as of April 16th, any and all of them can choose to throw caution to the wind and trust the public to take care of itself.
Denver 7's Sloan Dickey spent the day reaching out to local leaders to see what they have planned, and he kicks off our 360 coverage tonight. Sloan?
Yeah, this afternoon, the Tri-County Health Department in charge of Douglas, Arapahoe, and Adams counties, they're going to take control of they're having their meeting for the control. Other counties are going to be heading in a different direction. Take a look.
Across the state, county leaders are preparing for local control of COVID-19 regulations on April 16th.
We want to protect people in our community, and so we will keep some regulations in place for our own community.
Some counties will maintain many of the guidelines set by the state.
And so really supporting our health director, knowing that he's basing his decisions on science, and then having that united front as we go forward when we talk to the public is really important.
Others, however, are looking to move in a different direction. In a statement to Denver 7, the director of the Elbert County Health Department said they will, quote, most likely transition away from required verbiage in favor of suggested or encouraged verbiage when it comes to social distancing and mask guidelines. Elbert County is currently at level yellow on Colorado's COVID dial. Those regulations will likely go away next Friday. But next door, the Tri-County Health Department will likely maintain stricter health guidelines. The director of the department worries a patchwork of regulations across the state could lead to higher transmission.
I worry about relaxation of our prevention capacity too quickly. There are places across the country that are beginning to see surges that I think could be kind of cautionary tales for us.
Though hospitalization rates remain low, infection rates have increased, causing some counties to take a step backwards.
I think I would say to the residents of Colorado in those counties, is that we are making great progress in the metro areas and in the more rural areas. And in none of the areas do I think we can afford to say we're home free.
Now remember that April 16th date is still 8 days away, so many health department officials tell me they will be formulating the plans for taking over that local control over the next few days. Reporting live in Denver, Sloan Dickey, Denver 7.